Hi my friends and my seniors, welcome back guys in this brand new video. So guys, today is a very special and interesting and a very beneficial video. It's gonna be for all of the American accent learners, because guys, today I'm gonna share with everyone a secret trick of mouth position. Yes, I'm gonna talk about everything A to Z, what is the trick is, how to use it, and what is the benefits of it. So guys, as everyone knows, I have taken a challenge. This challenge is 1 week for American accent challenge, and now it is the first episode of day 3. Yes, you listen right, and it is also a great video it's gonna be, because today is Sunday, my father have free time. That's why we have come here for to make the videos, and it is gonna be a very interesting videos. And I always like the morning time. As you can see, the sun is rising up. Many people, they are doing morning works, their works, and birds are calling. I love to practice the English language with the birds call. It is also a great time guys, the morning time. Just try to use it for a little movement also. And now, first of all, I'm gonna talk about American accent, and it is that, remember guys, whenever your mind will say that, oh, now leave the American accent, we are trying and we are using the Indian accent since our childhood, and now we also can't learn the American accent. Then guys, try to tell your brain that no, accent is accent, pronunciation is pronunciation, our throat is our mouth is our. So why not we can't change the pronunciation. Everyone can change pronunciation. So remember, accent is not different. What you're speaking, it is not different. What you are telling, it is not different. Only the difference is in your voice. Only the difference is in your pronunciation. How we will change our pronunciation, it is the matter guys. So remember that, and now let's talk about everything. As I tell to everyone, that pronunciation is only how we try to make it, how we try to come out it. So remember that. And now the thing that I'm gonna talk about, it is that what a perfect and best mouth position for to speak the American accent. It is very important guys. I also know that it's gonna be a weird and a very curious question, that what, and we also speak the Indian accent, the English language, then we don't have any particular mouth position to speak. But no, in the American accent, you have to do practice with it. Okay, I'm not telling that the thing that I'm gonna tell you, just do it, remember it, and then do. And whenever you are gonna speak something, just try to make your mouth like this. No, for only practicing you have to manage it. For just practicing you have to remember it. And now guys, the thing that I'm gonna tell you, it is that spreading position. Okay, spreading position is the best and the perfect position to speak the English language for the American accent. If you want to make some sounds like American accent, if you want to practice to make and to develop your pronunciation, then just practice with mouth spreading position, and it is also the correct position to speak the English language. Whenever you're gonna speak with it, then everything that you were trying to tell, that will come very fluently, and you can speak them very confidently, and all of the words that you are gonna tell, that will come from your mouth like an American accent. Yes, you listen right, I'm also telling you the truth. I developed a lot. I also do always practice of this practice. Only don't do anything, just try to spread your mouth like air, and now speak anything, whatever you want. Okay, whatever you want, just speak anything. For the new beginners, it's gonna be very new, and also it's gonna be very weird. But no guys, after a few days it will be your habit. You can change it by your habit. So don't do anything, just take your 2 fingers like that. If you were a beginner, just take 2 fingers like that, and now try to press them a little bit on your lips like that, and now speak anything. I also made a lot of video of telling everyone that practice the stories. Whenever you are gonna practice the stories, it will be very helpful first of all, and then when you will practice the stories, there are many sentences and the words that you need to know in American accent. So that's why whenever you read a story, then try to read by disposition. Okay, by this position, try to read anything. It can be a little bit quotes also, a story also, or anything. Now I am practicing the English language, and I also don't know a proper American accent. That's why I have taken the challenge, and this challenge will teach me all of the things that I want to know about American accent, and it is going very well, guys. You listen, right? As you can see, the scenery is very very nice. The fields are there, many people they are doing, and you also can see there is a net for fishing, and many people they are fishing. So just remember, I know that many people they're not going to believe that only by spreading our mouth we can produce a great American accent. Then guys, I want to tell you that wait for a minute and watch this video, because now I'm gonna give you an example of a story. Okay, example of a story, but just try to notice in my lips what they're doing, and try to observe what are going inside my mouth. If you can capture it, you are gonna use it in your speaking, and it will be great, guys. I'm telling you the truth. I'm not lying a bit also. So just try to remember it, and now let's try. So first of all, I'll tell you a story in the perfect Indian accent by not doing anything, not any tricks, and then after the like Indian accent, I will try to tell the same story in the American accent, but only I will use the spreading mouth position. I will not pronounce the T like D, the R like R, or any another trips I'm not gonna use there. Only I will spread my mouth and then I will speak. So now let's try it. It will be very very interesting, guys. So like my story's name is the Lalu and Pilu. It is a very great story from class 1. Yes, I tried to tell you, and I am gonna explain you the story of class 1. It is great story, guys. So don't think that oh, it is a class 1 book story. How it gonna help us? It will not help us. Just leave it. Just keep it. No, listen to me. There is a hen. She had two chicks. It is the American accent. There was a hen. She had two chicks, Lalu and Pilu. Lalu was red. That's why he loved red things. But Pilu was yellow. That's why he loved yellow things. One day, Lalu saw something on a plant. It was red. Because Lalu loved red things, Lalu went there and ate it. Ate it up. And then, after few moments, Lalu's mouth started burning. And then, suddenly, he started screaming, oh, oh, it is very hot, it is very hot, mother, mother, please help me, it is very hot. And then, the hen heard the sound of Lalu. She went to Lalu, and then Pilu also was there. And now Pilu said to Lalu that Lalu, please wait for a moment. I get something for you. And then Pilu went somewhere and brought a yellow laddu. And then Lalu gobbled up the laddu. Then the story is end. Lalu's mouth stopped burning. Lalu kissed Pilu. And then it is a simple story that I pronounce in Indian accent. You can understand that at most of the time my mouth shape was a O sound, like Lalu and Pilu. Lalu was red. So that's why now the thing. And now I am gonna pronounce the same story with the American accent. So just I will spread my mouth as I tell you. There was a hen. She had two chicks, Lalu and Pilu. Lalu was red, that's why he loved red things. Pilu was yellow, that's why he loved yellow things. One Lalu saw something on a plant. It was red. He ate it up. Then suddenly his mouth started burning. because the red thing that Lalu ate up, it was a red chili. And then Lalu's mouth started burning. Lalu screamed that, "Mother, mother, please come here, please come here." And then Mother Hen and Pilu came to. Pilu said to Lalu that, "Lalu, don't worry, I get for something you. I get something for you." And then Pilu went somewhere and brought a yellow laddu for Lalu. Then Lalu gobbled up the laddu, and after few moments, Lalu's mouth stopped burning. And then Lalu kissed Pilu. The story is in. You can understand a lot of differences between the Indian accent and between the American accent. But I want to tell everyone that the difference I make by only spreading my mouth, I didn't pronounce anything. I didn't use any tips and tricks, only the mouth spreading tip. And it is a great tip, guys. I want to tell you that take any quotes, take any sentences, and then try to pronounce them by pressing your two fingers in front of your lips. Because I know after a few days, for a few days, you can't pronounce anything very quickly by spreading your mouth. That's why you have to make this habit by doing this thing. If you are reading any quotes, any paragraph or anything, just try to spread your like this, and then just try to speak. And then after a few days, remove your hand and then try to pronounce. It will be great, guys, and it is very, very important. Like as you can see also, the field is looking very, very nice. There are one kind of a reddish leaves are there on the field. And this thing I want to tell everyone, remember me and go on. It will be very helpful for you. And now, guys, please thank you for watching, and I want to tell everyone that please subscribe my channel with the help of subscribing, and also hit the bell icon, because if you hit the bell icon, and then you are gonna get all of the notification of our videos, like what are you going. And also, guys, please support me in my challenge. It is a very difficult challenge for me, but some people, they're gonna think that, whoa, what will be only 2 videos in a day about the American accent. But no, guys, there are a lot of difficulties that I have faced, and they are like, first of all, I need a script, and then after the script I have to prepare myself. Like as you can see, this is also the railway station. Like there is the railway station, and I am making the videos by side the railway station. It is a breeze, okay, and I think that this breeze is far from our house, like 8 kilometers. Okay, 8 kilometers, this is far from our house. I and my father, we have come here, and now I am making the videos. For a single video also, we have to do many like hard work. That's why you also have responsibility. This responsibility is liking and subscribing our channel. And I always tell craziness, I'm making the video outside and outdoor, and it is also one of the craziness of my and my father. So guys, remember it, and then bye bye. I will meet you in the next episode of this day, which will come near about 5 or 6 o'clock. So bye bye. I will meet you in the next video.